Hello everyone, today I'm going to cook fried mushroom with a shiitake mushroom. Mushroom is one of the most important ingredients for stocks, for our soups. And this mushroom is sometimes used for great ingredients for bibimbap. And mushroom can be used for many great side dishes for Koreans. Today I'm going to get some nice dried mushroom, shiitake mushroom, and I'm going to soak in water and I'm going to squeeze out the water and then fry it. The first step to do with this dried shiitake mushroom is to soak in water. When they are soaked in water, and they will get back to their original state by absorbing water. And how to measure if this mushroom is wet enough. Cut the mushroom in half and you will see this surface like this, and this white part is still dry part and this dark part is wet part. So this surface means that I have to soak more water. When the mushrooms are wet enough, it feels like a sponge that absorbs water like this. Now I'm going to squeeze out the water. Squeeze out tight like this. I'm going to slice half centimeter thick like this. Cutting is done now. I'm going to chop this spring onion, and this spring onion will give notes and sweetness to this fried mushroom. Crush by using your handle of knife. So now condiments are ready. When you use your pan for frying something, you need to preheat your pan first. If you put your ingredients first and then you turn on the heat, and the ingredients will be cooked very slowly, and the water inside of the ingredients will get out, and then the surface will be covered with the water, then you cannot fry with the oil. You have to remember that you should preheat your pan first if you want to fry something. Now your pan is heated to around 3 spoons of oil. I use grapeseed oil. When the oil runs like water, like this means this pan is ready to cook. Here I'm going to pour the mushroom, and now you can hear some sizzling sound like this. You have to stir like this so that every single parts of the mushroom are coated with oil and they are well fried. Sometimes you can use the technique like this, but if you cannot, just stir with a spatula or some wooden spoon like this. For this amount, I need 1 and 2 and 3 pinches of salt. They are glazing now with oil. When half of the mushrooms are fried, now I'm going to pour our condiments, spring onion, and crushed garlic, and stir again. The garlic and spring onion smell is really good, and they make a good harmony with the mushrooms here. For garnish, you can pour some sesame seed like this. It's very chewy and it has meaty texture. Strong flavor of the shiitake mushroom is gorgeous. I love this. This is really yummy and healthy food. You can cook it very easily. Hope you enjoy the fried shiitake mushroom. Thank you. Bye.